Hey guys, it's your girl Chimmy and I'm back again. This time around is going to be an airport slash travel vlog, and I'm really excited because I haven't seen my sister in like 2 years. She actually lives in West Palm Beach, Florida, and my dad is there as well, so like I'm super excited to go see them. But at the same time, it's kind of like, you know, COVID just has made me feel like I've never traveled in my life. Like I don't know what to expect. I don't know, I'm really paranoid, but I mean, hey, like I have my mask, I have my gloves, I have my face shield, I have my tracksuit. Like I did not come to play. But yes guys, I'm going to be filming every step from Atlanta till I get to Florida. So stay tuned, hang in there, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye guys. So guys, tell me how do I look with my KN95 mask and sunglasses on? Guys, I just got to the airport and I can literally count the number of people in here. Like, okay guys, so the airport is kind of dead. Like Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Atlanta is one of the busiest airports in the United States and in the world as well. So I've never seen the airport this empty, but people are still traveling obviously, but it's just not as busy as it would be on a normal day. If you guys notice, there are green stickers on the floor as a reminder for passengers to queue 6 feet away from each other. Oh my god, Jesus Christ, I really don't want anybody touching my stuff. Oh my god. I don't know why my stuff was set aside, but oh god, so now I have to wash everything from... God, I'm suffocating in here. I have to wash everything from the beginning because, as you guys can see, my stuff is literally, yeah, my stuff is right there. So, whew, oh my god.
Hi, is this yours, man?
Yes, sir.
Anything dangerous inside? Food, scanning something. What is this?
Let me see. Oh, that's food. That's food. That's what it is. Oh, it's frozen food. It's okpa.
You pack your bag.
Oh, I can do it. This is, it's actually frozen food. It's like a Nigerian food called okpa. Okay. Okpa, yes. Ooh, okay, I am losing my mind because I'm suffocating. Bro. At that point, I couldn't take it anymore. I was out of breath. On entry into the aircraft, all passengers were handed alcohol wipes to disinfect their areas if needed. But you know, trust me, I came prepared. I came with my Clorox disinfecting wipes, and I just thought it was necessary for me to do my own part, even though they said that they sanitized the aircraft. But you know, at the end of the day, human beings did it right. It's possible that they might not have been as thorough in one seat or one area than the other. So I still thought it was necessary for me to do my own part. So I cleaned everything. I literally disinfected all the areas I knew I could lay my hands on or I was going to touch. From my seat to my seat belts to the armrest to the screen to the window, bro. honestly, this is my paranoia setting in because I really didn't touch anything with my bare hands, but I'm so paranoid. But yes, guys, did you also notice that I had a hair bonnet on, like apart from my face mask and my gloves and all of that? But that's because I didn't want to expose my hair and have to wash it again. Also, I put on a face shield in case of droplets that may be in the air, which my sunglasses would definitely not have protected me from. So normally, first class passengers are served actual food. However, I got a snack and a bottle of water in a plastic bag, and I want to believe it's Delta's own way of trying to curb the spread of the virus. But man, a girl could not be bothered because I came with my own snacks. Hey guys, so honestly I was going to show the seating arrangement in both first class and economy class amid coronavirus, but I tried, even though I didn't want people to be uncomfortable with me filming. But if you notice, at the back the middle seats were left vacant in economy class, while in first class the second seats were left vacant. But yo, look how empty this airport is. Wow, this is crazy. To be honest with you, no one is trying to expose themselves at this time. Whether I will quarantine for 14 days, I don't know. We'll see. Well, guys, I just got to my sister's place. I'm really excited. And overall, it was a good flight, even though I feel like there's not so much in place to accommodate coronavirus. But it's the new normal. Well guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.